people, welcome back to my channel. Salut les amis, bienvenue, bon retour sur ma chaîne. Hola, bienvenue dans la canal. Konnichiwa, watashi no channel ni yokoso. I hope you're doing fine today. This is another day, another week, and another video of me. It's been a long time, but now you can know and see the reason why. My computer kind of just gave up on me and I had to get a new MacBook. The video you're gonna see here is probably gonna be edited on my new MacBook. So I got a couple of accessories that I'm gonna show as well, and we're gonna go through the customization here of the laptop and a bit of what I'm gonna be doing with it, because it's gonna be mostly editing, mostly the big part of it. Let's just open the box now. So, oof. This is way too excited for my own sake here. Just see a part of my head, but I have to find a way to show everything. Oh my god! That looks so nice! Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm like a baby whenever I'm like unboxing things.
This is the new MacBook Pro. 16 inches, you have the dedicated graphic card, which is really great to be able to edit videos faster. Really impressed by how fast things were for me to get it, because when I placed the order, they got me an estimation around January 5th. So I was like, well, I might as well just expect myself to get that after Christmas. That was my computer back then. For 10 years now, because I got it early 2011, so I can tell you how old it is. When it came to edit videos and really get faster with everything that I was doing, just couldn't handle the process at all. I'm gonna be officially updating my video editing services along with my coaching when it comes to video or anything like that, so if you're interested, definitely get back at me. All the details are gonna be down below for that. I'm gonna show you my accessories, everything that I got. I got everything at least a month prior for me to get it. Actually, it doesn't make sense here, but it does make sense for me. I got a bunch of stuff when it comes to all of that. So the first thing that I got was a new USB-C adapter. Oh, it's 4K videos as well. This is really amazing now that I think about it.
2 hours later.
Everything that you gotta do with the SD card or anything related to the cable, the normal USB-C, it just doesn't work anymore on the new MacBook Pro models. Everything that I got for the MacBook is gonna be down below through my Amazon link, so no worries about it. The second thing was the webcam cover, because, well, nowadays anything related to collecting data without us knowing, well, it happens for real. The next thing was a laptop cleaner, because, well, when it comes to the dust, when it comes to anything, sometimes it just gets collected on the MacBook or just laptops in general, and you don't even get aware of it, or you don't even realize it. The next thing was a keyboard cover, which is really nice because it's transparent. I wanted some colored ones, but you're gonna understand after why I had to get it transparent, because my keyboard is French, like French from France, and any cover or any keyboard cover that I would actually find on Amazon were really related to any type of American keyboard, so the letters or displays really differently when it comes to French keyboard and French keyboard. I also got myself a couple of like stickers that I could have on my MacBook or on my phone anywhere in the apartment. I got a bunch of them, so now I'm like actually really realizing that I got way too much. Anti-dust dirt, I'm gonna be able to do that. Anti-dust dirt.
2 hours later.
5 pieces, because the 16-inch Pro has 4 Thunderbolts that I'm not using, so really good to protect it from any dust that could be getting in your laptop. I got this because I love the color. It's burgundy or strawberry, or I feel like it's like burgundy. You let me know. And instead it came with that little pocket to be able to, let's say, carry your charger or any type of little accessory that you might be using for your own MacBook. Skin, it's the brand. I think it's the brand. Oh my god. I got it a while ago. So it's a laptop skin in order for me to be able to protect it, or more so decorate it in a way, because the 16-inch is a little bit heavier. I didn't want to have a case, a proper case. I got a white leather effect type of skin. Let's get to the pièce of résistance. Open it, and I'm probably gonna be a savage doing it, but who cares? I mean, I'm just way too excited for my own sake, so let's just do it. Oh my god! I got to open it one shot. How cool is that? Oh, wait for it. I'm gonna be able to do it. Wait for it. Yes. Okay. I'm too excited. And just to let you know, my old laptop was a 13-inch, so it was really a matter of thinking about how much I was gonna use my laptop. And knowing that now I'm having my business where I'm really providing video editing services for people, it just made sense for me to have something really powerful because I'm getting paid to do that. I'm too excited. This is it. This is like the Saint Graal. 512 gigabytes, and I have the cable along with the charger. And the charger I know is pretty heavy just because the MacBook itself is really powerful, so you need a pretty powerful charger for that to get to the maximum of battery weight that you can carry on in the plane. People to be able to carry it around because, well, it's not gonna be that useful if you can travel along with your MacBook whenever you can, whenever you want, or whenever you have to. The charger is heavy. I've got the cable here, which is a Thunderbolt one. I'm gonna have to stick with it for now if ever they change their mind. Now let's get to the laptop. I feel like I'm not gonna do it like that because any accident might happen and we are not about this life. And I'm getting it for 3,500 something along the way just because I live in Canada. So the price that I'm giving you at the moment is in Canadian dollars for that. Oh my god. Oh. Just get to it. Let's just get to it. So, in space gray, as you can see, and it's pretty thin, especially compared to my 13-inch 2011. We get to compare those two ones. This one is pretty thick. As you can see, and pretty heavy actually. It's a little bit larger, which is normal because it's 16 inches. I hope it is. But it's actually a little bit lighter. Let's open it.
To use English as the main language.
This is interesting. I don't care, to be honest.
Pour utiliser le français comme langue principale, appuyez sur la touche Entrée.
Oh, the sound is good. Now we're gonna get to the country here. I'm in Canada. Having a French, I would say French background. The letters are being displayed really different. This couple of letters are into the confidentiality of the data and anything like that because I passed the point of the Wi-Fi. So transfer the data from my old Mac, which I'm straight later on. And now it's asking me my Apple ID. Getting to the Express configuration. It's like authorized plans and other apps, services to localize and having suggestions, spotlight. Like I'm trying to translate everything because it's in French. I think I'm just gonna say yes. Share data related to any type of issues and for the use of apps developers. I don't mind that, to be honest. I feel like I don't care much about it, so let's just get to it like that. Screen time, like statistics for the time that you're gonna spend on screen. Limit time, I don't care much about that either. Is activate the mode Siri. I hate Siri, to be honest. This is the one thing that I'm just not a fan of. When it comes to that, I never ever used it, and honestly I don't think I'm gonna use it anytime soon, so we'll see if I need to still have to set it up still. But it's so cool, way too cool for my own sake. Okay. Officially my print is in. Now when it comes to select the type of style that I want, I'm gonna go with the dark. I have to change it around. So into the max setup, we have the screen. Wow, the screen is huge. I think because I was so used to my 13-inch, I'm so not used to have a screen that big. First thing I'm gonna put on is gonna be the webcam cover because I find it so cute. It's like I can't just wait. It's probably gonna be the only thing that I'm gonna put for now. If I'm being okay. Application that I know I'm not gonna be using.
This is the first thing first. So let's just remove Safari. For sure I'm not gonna have it because I'm gonna have Chrome, which is the best thing ever. No, I'm not even using it at all, so not gonna be using it either. Oh, I love it. I love the noise. Contact either. Those for sure not. Wait, what is Futomo? I'm not gonna be using it here. I don't gonna be able to have access to it anyway, so Apple TV, no. Oops. Nope. Use nope.
With Google Chrome first to install it. Install Chrome. I'm having the option to either install it with the new MacBook Pro along with having the M1 chip or the one having the Intel still. And of course I had the Intel still. Astonished by the size of the mousepad. It's crazy. Put the mousepad cover from Skin, the brand. That's what I want to do. Thank you very much. I'm gonna choose that background. I find it super cute. Okay. Let's go to it. Now I'm gonna sign up on my Google account.
Installing vidIQ, one last important step. Simply go to YouTube, watch any video, and you should see this vidIQ login button.
All those ideas from a great video, and her name is Julia K. Christ. Put her link down below just because I got all my inspiration when it comes to the background from her and the customization from her as well. So just saying. Little disclaimer here. What can I do now? I'm gonna start with the preference here. Let's go with general. We're gonna change accent color, which is everything related to here, and I'm never sure what to decide. I got access to my Canva for a while because I'm using everything to be able to have my graphics on Instagram, to be able to have my graphics on YouTube, my thumbnails, all of that. So you can see here my background, but you're gonna be able to see it when I'm gonna have it on my computer. I base myself on the dimension of the 16-inch MacBook Pro. When it comes to that, let's just download it and have fun! Background here, we're gonna change it, and can we find a way to just, yes, change it as a background. Yes! Look at it. Look at it. I don't know if you can see the whole thing here, but this is my background. This is such a cool background. It literally sums up all of me. When it comes to anything art, when it comes to anything manga related, when it comes to anything like that actually. Gonna get to the screensaver, the famous clock showing display whenever your MacBook is on rest. It's gonna be for Mac. Cool. I just get now to system preferences. I'm choosing that. So that is super cool. Display after, let's say 30 minutes. Put the keyboard cover on the keyboard, and we're gonna put it, I think it's like that. Yeah. Yep. Maybe not. Okay. Feels like it's gonna stay the way it is. The second part is gonna be to put the skin on the mouse pad. I just put it now. Okay, oops. Okay, I got to put it on. board and then the mouse pad. It's so cute. Yeah, I think that was it for me for today. It was pretty short, or maybe not so short. We'll see when I'm gonna be editing the video itself. It's gonna be another video related to video editing itself, because that's what I'm doing the most and that's what I'm doing for my own clients. And if you want to learn more about videos and how to edit them and how to actually get confident, I have my coaching program down below and I'm gonna have the link for it. I'm gonna have the link for anything that I showed you today. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want to see more, because it definitely helps me when it comes to algorithm on YouTube, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And of course it's gonna be more than that. So I'm gonna see you next on my next video. So until then, I'm gonna wish you a very great day and probably Merry Christmas or Happy New Year somewhere along the lines. Keep smiling because it's free and contagious. So have yourself a beautiful day. Bye.